Tilde/backtick button not working on Windows 10. I've recently upgraded to Windows 10, and ever since then my backtick is not working. It's a keyboard with US layout, and in my language settings this seems to be properly set up. When I switch to another layout, I use German for testing, the physical button is working. So the keyboard itself is fine. Here are some pictures for reference. Settings. Keyboard.
Update, June 12, 2024. For Windows 11, Settings, Time and Amp, Language, Typing, Advanced Keyboard Settings, Input Language Hotkeys. Thanks at Kim. Update, July 5, 2018. Recent versions of Windows May 10 have changed the location of the settings menu. See the answer of at Wingo for an alternative. I finally figured it out. The problem is that the Windows language switcher uses the tilde to switch between layouts. To fix this, go to Advanced Language Settings in the Control panel. Click on Change Language Bar Hotkeys, which opens up the following dialog. Here, click on Change Key Sequence, and on the following dialog change the assignment away from the tilde/grave accent key. Or simply unassign it.
I have Windows 10 yet I cannot find advanced language settings in the control panel, so to the others who have the same problem, here's how I found it and follow the instructions by Xhumor. Open Windows Settings and search for Region and Language Settings. In Related Settings, you will find Advanced Keyboard Settings. In Switching Input Methods, you will find Language Bar Options. Then continue to proceed with Xhumor's instructions after the first image included.
Found faster way for Windows 10, 20190417. Search for Language Bar Options, then follow the Change Key Sequence instructions posted by Xhumor. This URL.
I experienced a similar issue with the backtick key not working directly on the second key press. It would type 2 backticks. This was interfering with my use of Control- as a shortcut in my IDE. The solution I found was to change language setting to English, United States, to use the US keyboard settings. As a side note, I would tend to observe that Windows 10 settings UI, being a mixture of new pages, links to older dialogues, and control panel, is a sodden mush of dog's breakfast, which makes most tasks harder and more confusing rather than clearer.
How to